Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Worship. Worship means feeling or expression of reverence and adoration for deity. For example, the worship of God. The worship of God. Synonyms: reverence, revering, worshipping.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Many Central Africans still observe the traditional religion of ancestor worship, or animism. Now, repeat after me. Many Central Africans still observe the traditional religion of ancestor worship, or animism. The second exempli. Although idol worship is not indicated in Sikhism, many Sikhs attend Hindu temples. Now, repeat after me. Although idol worship is not indicated in Sikhism, many Sikhs attend Hindu temples. The third exempli. However, the Buddhists adapted their practices to include the Confucian custom of ancestor worship. Now, repeat after me. However, the Buddhists adapted their practices to include the Confucian custom of ancestor worship.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.